Hello, everybody, and I'm back hunting for Majorette. A lot of new casting and new recolor. The Toyota 86, GT86 in Bilstein livery with red wheels is very nice. Porsche 934, Toyota 2000 GT. I'm very tempted to buy. Mercedes AMG. The Aston Martin Vantage is very nice. Dodge Charger RT, I have the one in black. McLaren Senna with opening doors. Kia, Bentley, the Land Rover Defender, which I may buy. They cost the same, so which one should I buy? The racing? I think not. GT86 is a nice car, but I'm not a fan. Okay, we have monster truck, Ford Bronco. But why they don't have the casting in normal cars, only in monster truck? So let's see, Tomica, nothing new. Siku, and a miserable section of green light. See anything you like, Siku? Nope, all is old news. So let's take a walk. I see Hot Wheels. Mm, this is a new casting. The 96 Thunderbird. Lucid Air. Monster Truck. Ooh, a recolor of the Unimog. But one color is enough. Yeah, unless I need the casting for regular truck, not monster truck. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.